Well, this is a first. I don't think we've ever gotten a red Model Y in before. What's up, Sean?
What's up? Remember this? Now it's over paint correction.
Yep. So we got done tinting this car. Now we're getting it prepped for paint correction. It's a new car, which surprised a lot of people as to why it needs a paint correction. But guess what, guys? Brand new cars have scratches too. I know, hard to believe, right? What lesson is this in the rap dojo?
It's not rap dojo, this is just a tip. Just a tip. Just a tip. Just a tip. With me, Sean. You will. Fucking hilarious.
Man, this Model Y is looking really shiny. Here's the breakdown. Photosync 30 on all the sides and the back, 70 on the front windshield, and 70 on the sunroof, so every window on this thing is tinted. It's gonna be blocking heat from all angles. It's gonna keep it nice and cool, which is what you need here in Houston. Full front end has been wrapped in our Clearbra, so it's definitely gonna help the paint from getting hit with rocks and scratches. Keeps the whole front end looking nice and new. But before that, we actually light polished the entire paint. We removed some of the light scratches and swirl marks that normally come from factory. That way it just gives it a little bit of an extra gloss and shine to it. And then after the Clearbra, we ceramic coated the entire thing, which is why the paint looks this glossy. The water beading test. So if you're new to this, basically what we're looking for is we want to make sure that the ceramic coating is working properly. And for us to do that, well, we got to pour water on it. Look at that. As water is laying on the paint, you can just see how it's just sliding down effortlessly.